Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini live video step by step. Tap the camera icon, grant permissions, and choose live mode to begin streaming immediately. Set a clear title, pick a thumbnail, and decide whether to invite specific viewers or go public. Check your audio and video preview before hitting go live. Use a stable internet connection and simple lighting to avoid common issues, and keep your first stream short to test settings and comfort. In this video, I will show how to use Gemini live video step by step. Tap the settings gear and fill in your title, tags, and description before streaming. Decide on privacy, schedule, or immediate start based on your audience plan. Select a thumbnail image and check bitrate or quality presets if available. Preview the stream to confirm audio levels and camera framing, and remember these details help viewers discover and engage with your content. In this video, I will show how to use Gemini live video step by step. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading guide notes and scripts offline between streams, with crisp display and long battery life. If you like this content, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Gemini live video step by step. Start by greeting new viewers and outlining what you will cover to hook the audience quickly. Pin important messages like rules or links to keep chat focused and useful. Use moderation tools or assign a moderator when chat grows busy to maintain a positive environment. Respond to questions clearly, invite interaction, and wrap up with a call to action for future streams.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.